Okay, so we're gonna, motor's all painted, so we're gonna torque the crankshaft down today. And I picked up this Husky torque wrench from the pawn shop, and it's still good. It's nice. It goes up to 250. Those are Newton meters, 250 foot-pounds. So just waiting for Connor to get out here. It does have a 1/2 inch top end there, so I gotta go get that 1/2 inch. Anyway, just waiting for Connor to show up. No, touch it, it's dry. Wow.
And it looks good. It's nice and shiny too.
It's nice and smooth.
Not bad.
Yeah, so we're gonna pop this off. We're not, because we're gonna torque those bolts under here.
Oh yeah.
Probably. Oh, this will come off. Good. Just pick that up. Just make sure now we set it flat down on something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just set it over there.
We'll put it on concrete like this.
There you go. Put that down there on the wood.
Yeah.
Okay, so the other day I tightened it up just a hair.
But now we're loosening so we can get them to torque.
Well, it makes putting them in and out a hell of a lot easier.
Oh yeah.
And that's a 5/8. So we have a 5/8 ratcheting torque wrench. All right. And we're going to set it took a picture of the torque sheet from Summit Racing. Outer main cap bolts is 65. Inner main cap bolts are 70. So 65 and 70.
Oh.
So what we do is we pull this lever, and it's at 0, and we turn it and to come up to 65. We'll come up to 70 actually. Actually, we're gonna go 35 first. So there's 30. And 10's 35. And it locks after you release that thing right there.
Oh yeah. So it can be accurate so it doesn't lose what it was at.
Right. So
just spin it till you hit a click.
Let you do it. Let me.
So we're gonna do it on the interior ones first? Oh, this
drill.
We're doing it on the interior ones first?
We're doing it on the interior ones first.
Alright.
It's so hot out here. It's like 100 degrees outside, so here in the metal barn, it's like 1,000. All right, so we're gonna start with the middle one right here.
Middle? Alright.
Yep. And you're gonna wanna get to a spot. Well, it's not gonna be that hard.
Yeah, this is the easier one right now.
They're not even. 35 is really. Hang on. Come back this way.
Yep.
Turn this so you can put your foot on that.
Yep. Oh. Sorry.
Did it? Okay, do the other one. All right, then we'll do that one. go right to the end here.
Oh, I forgot about the end one.
Yeah, those are the 2-bolt.
Well, wait.
Then that end down there. Yeah. Okay, so now you got good eyes.
Yeah.
So you pull this. See how that's a 10? Well, there's 20 markers, right? 19 and then 0 again. So you're going to spin this. You're going to pull this back, and you're going to spin this to where you get the 0 right at 70.
Okay.
You got to pull the ring back.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we went 35. Now we're going to do 70.
There we go. That's 70.
Yep. So now we're going to do the inside one again.
Yep. Go up and back.
So here, there.
That's right at it.
Okay.
Which is weird, but
Really?
yeah, right at it.
Yeah, there's not a lot of difference.
Good. Did. Yeah, this one right here. Before I move on. That's it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to test it with another wrench. Make sure that that thing's not bad.
Oh yeah, by doing that.
Newton and inch pounds. I need my calculator here.
Well, this one moved out of its socket. It went down to 18 underneath the. It went down to the 18 underneath the 70. Because now it's locked in. So maybe it was off.
We're gonna test it here with this. So if we've got 70 foot-pounds times 12, 840 inch-pounds, this ain't gonna do it.
Oh, we can try again with this.
Man, I'm sweating like a pig out here.
It's hot. Well, don't we have the big fan we used to have?
It's over there.
That'd probably be a good thing, I guess, to break out once we finish today to
Let me see that thing.
so we can aerate this. So that way when we're working here, we have that open and that open. Just have it blow it all through. Yeah, because it moved to the 18 because it wasn't locked in. So let me try it again.
Yeah.
See what we get. Same thing. Same thing. Basically there. Is it? There we go. That's it.
At this point, we're compressing metal against metal.
I don't know if there's this.
You'll feel it, the dimple.
It's almost barely, because since this is squeaking as it's going in. There we go.
I don't think that's it.
It's not. Hey, you want to give it a shot so you can see? You'll know more than I do. There you go.
I think the first time it was popping with the stress of the
steel like rubber. So
yeah, because it's
the bolts are going as they're going in. There we go.
And then these are 65.
That's the sweat all over it. It's gonna rust.
Which is
dropping the sweat all up on painted parts. It's gonna rust.
probably would, huh? Right, that's 60. There's 65. Okay, hold that. Let me get that. I bet you we could get them all down with this.
16 just underneath the 70?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, with that? Probably. Because it's barely any pressure into this. Alright.
I may get Ed to loan me his footprint so we can verify it.
It's that one. It's that one. It's that one.
I'll do it again on this side.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
Yeah. So that's the only spec it had for those outer ones?
Yep.
Awesome.
Turn that back down to 0.
This was the one that had the seized
Piston.
piston?
Yes.
Shit. Couldn't even tell now.
That's the whole point.
Yeah. Damn. We couldn't even get it to move. Now it just spins freely.
Yeah, that's what we wanted.
Like without incident, it goes.
So there's no play this way or this way.
Yeah, it doesn't wobble inside of its housing and it's not going back and forth.
Get this out of here. Pretty short today for this because we're also going to do the forward right there.
We're going to back it up in here so it's in the shade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see I am rotating this with one finger.
It's moving smooth.
And it's,
Oh, we got some
yeah, it's just grease
from
from that stuff because it's baking here in the barn.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Are we still putting the covering on this whenever we store it, basically?
yeah, we're going to put that
Oh, okay.
on.
No, not that. I'm talking about the plastic bag.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'll,
Is that all the footage you wanted of them seeing that?
yeah, go ahead and put all that on. I got to fix this
Phone stand?
phone stand.
Hey.
It's all checked up.
You could probably go on Amazon and find a. Oh, forgot that needed that. Forgot there was an assembly process.
Yeah, that just holds it on.
There we go.
And I saved the bag over here, so
Yeah, just so there's like if there's an increase in moisture, we don't end up with some like corrosion.
grab that side.
Just keep it safe. That it keeps dust and whatnot off of it. Mud daubers too.
Yeah. Stupid mud daubers.
Because I mean, look what they did to the XP's engine. They were inside of that.
Yeah, they were.
Down in the spark plugs and everything.
All right. So there it is for today. That part of the motor rebuild.